Hey guys, Matt Dieterich here, and today I'd like to show you how to clean astronomy camera filters to get rid of dust motes. And I need to do this because this CMOS camera, there's a lot of dust on the filters and the flat frames do not remove all of the dust. So in this video, we're gonna need 3 items. You need Kimwipes. That's what I'm gonna use. They're good optical wipes and they don't leave any lint. Gloves, when I'm actually handling the filters. A small Phillips screwdriver. Without further ado, let's get after it. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the screws off the faceplate of the filter and I'm gonna remove the nose piece. One screw left, and I'm gonna pop the cover off. This filter wheel came with 7 filters. It has LRGB and it has a set of narrowband for hydrogen alpha, sulfur 2, and oxygen 3. These are thread-in filters. So I'm gonna put my gloves on. And just take your time because there's no need to rush any of this and damage anything, especially you don't want to scratch these filters. All right, there we go. We got one of the filters right here. We're gonna go one at a time. I'm just gonna blow the front off, blow the back. Okay, looks pretty good. All right, so that's 1 down, 6 to go. And we'll put it back in. All right, we'll move on to the next one. Same process. We're gonna first blow off any harder debris that's on the filter, and then we'll use the wipe. All right, so we have nice clean filters. The front element of the sensor itself looks still excellent and clean. I gave that just a quick puff of air and it removed any dust that was on that. So now we should reassemble the filter wheel. Okay, so go ahead, put the screws back in, tighten them up equally, and then you're back to imaging. So remember, clean filters will make your life easier with flat fielding. If you have issues with removing dust motes during the flat fielding process, might be time to go ahead and clean the filters, as it was definitely in this case, but I'm happy they're clean. And I think tomorrow it's gonna be clear, so we'll get good night skies to shoot again, and this time a little better quality flats. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you liked the video, subscribe, shoot me a note if there's a specific telescope or camera related video that you'd like to watch. Appreciate it, guys. We'll see you.